Welcome to ICAST2023, the epicenter of recreational fishing. At sport fishing's largest trade show, where more than 13,000 industry experts converge to scope out new products that will define the future of fishing, another feature was on display. At the Recreational Boating and Fishing Foundation Women's Engagement Breakfast, sport fishing's leading women from coast to coast gathered to check the pulse of the fastest growing segment in fishing, women anglers. Together, we explored the latest research data on trends, talked about how to break down barriers and obstacles on the water, and learned about classes designed to create greater access for women in our sport while gearing up to hit the show floor with more than 630 exhibitors from 80 countries across the globe. The message? It's all about inspiration. At an event filled with professional anglers, product designers, and conservation experts, the women of fishing are ready to take the lead.